That's all that matters.
So, this video is basically 5 things that you guys dislike about me, and it's a birthday special in it. So,
Okay.
Yeah.
you can be as honest as you want.
Mm-hmm.
Just nothing that will be a detriment to my career. So just be careful.
Okay.
That's fine. Are we recording? Are we being recorded now?
No,
Okay.
don't worry. So,
Are we being recorded now?
yeah.
Okay, cool.
So who wants to start?
Well, we can bounce off each other, I think.
Yeah.
So you say when I say when you can start.
I'll give you
do,
first
do you even
honors.
know if it's mutual? It's a mutual thing.
Okay, 5 things I dislike about Ryhan. You're always clearing your throat.
Yeah.
That's one thing. You're
Bro,
always
that's
clearing your throat. Like, what's in
disgusting.
your throat, bro? Like, always.
Give them an example.
Like that.
Nah,
that,
it's worse than that. It's
And
worse
like
than
the thing is, I hear it from my room, and like it's just always there. I'm like, what's
Bro, you'll sit in the living room, you'll be watching a movie and you can't hear it because he's clearing his throat.
Yeah. So the second thing, number 2. I don't know if he does it with you, but he does this thing where I'm just speaking like you're not in the room, but he does this thing where like he'll go in. He'll like knock. I'm like, I open the door.
Just
and
start
then
looking around your room.
Yeah, and it'll be silent, and like I'm trying to like start a conversation, and he'll just like look around every corner of my
You'll start
room.
opening drawers. Or
What? I've never opened your
No, it doesn't
drawers.
open drawers.
Tell me
It's
about
just
it.
like, yeah, it's like an intense scanning of the room, and I don't really know what to do or to say, so I'll just sit there and just.
I don't want to look like I've
let
got
him-
something to hide.
Yeah, I'll let him do his thing and thing.
What are you guys hiding? Next time I will open the doors. Nah,
So
but
that's
it's
number
just,
2.
It's just curiosity. It's
Mm.
nothing sinister. 3.
I don't know, but I'm struggling now. The lectures sometimes drag on a bit as well. You know, when he's
The educational
yeah, like they
opportunities.
start off interesting, like, oh,
Yeah,
I'm into
yeah.
it, and then like it just hits that
Yeah,
point, and like,
yeah.
you know, when the lecture overruns a bit.
Bro, the other day he started getting a whiteboard out. He was playing on the whiteboard.
Bro, I remember one time I was like, I can't remember, and I saw this formula on the whiteboard, and I was like, what the hell is that? And you're like, he was teaching you
Yeah,
macroeconomics
yeah,
and
economics.
shit. That had me crazy. I was like, I was glad I was
GDP.
out the house for that one. But
You don't want to be rude though. And
it's good. We definitely do learn a few things.
Yeah,
Just probably
it's a positive and a
cut the
negative.
lecture from like 45 minutes to like 20 minutes, and that
Yeah.
would be good. But yeah,
Maybe 10.
So how many is that? 3 things or 4?
that's 3 things. I don't know, I'm kind of out.
Mm,
You come up with some this time. I feel like it's all been me.
yeah. I actually can't think of anything.
What was the one you had downstairs?
Oh, leaving stuff around the house, like boxes of stuff around the house. Have you noticed that?
Bro, there was boxes on the stairs. Was that,
Yeah.
is that yours?
No, that's not one.
Bro, he orders things to the house. He'll
Yeah.
open the box, take it,
Oh,
take it back
boxes.
with him. Yeah.
Boxes,
And then just leave the
ah.
box in the living room.
Yeah, actually, yeah, because it takes up space as well.
Yeah,
doesn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, fair enough. That's 4. Well, you may as well do the last one, finish it off.
Mm. Actually, can't think of anything.
No, we got to do
Have
5.
you got
bro.
one?
We got to do 5.
Maybe it's a good thing.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. But apart from those, you know, he's a very nice guy. He's a charitable, generous housemate. Great cook as well. Feeds us. 10 out of 10, I'd recommend. Happy birthday, bro.